About 20 to 30% coverage as of right now, but
Okay.
Just about 100% of us are going to end up with some sort of rain through the day today.
Sure.
My concern really is for an elevated flood threat with how much rain some spots will see. Not everyone sees excessive amounts of rain, 3 to 5 inches plus, but a couple spots that can't be ruled out, and that's where we could see those at least limited flooding concerns. So really just now starting to get going, a little bit more widespread from Knoxville eastward, East Knox County moving into Blount and Sevier counties. Watching this flash flood warning in far eastern Greene County, so the Chuckey Elementary area, Greenville eastward for some remnant flooding concerns through 6 o'clock this morning, but it does look like those flooding threats are starting to subside. Watching McCreary County as a pretty strong storm move through the Pine Knot area. That special weather statement was just allowed to expire, but a new special weather statement has just been issued for all of Fentress County. This storm definitely looks like it's intensifying, quite a bit of lightning associated with that one, as that one continues to move off towards the east-southeast. Really, the reason for the setup through the weekend is going to be this cold front that just is starting to stall out, really right over the Lexington area or so, central Kentucky, and this will allow for just shower and storm activity to move from west to east, riding along that stalled boundary through really the entirety of the week. So looking at 6 predictor, you can see kind of the motion is northwest to south-southeast, just barely moving off towards the south as it moves eastward. And really the concern is for redevelopment behind some of these, what we call training storms, where it just continues to redevelopment over the same spots through 2 o'clock. Again, not everyone's seeing it at any given time. In fact, I think the best opportunity to be outside may be mid to late afternoon, the way it looks, even a little bit of clearing possible before we ramp up those rain chances through the rest of the evening and overnight tonight. Maybe dealing with another elevated flooding risk. But outside of the flooding risk, we do have a severe threat as well. Level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for everybody, and even far western Cumberland and Bledsoe counties have a level 2 out of 5 severe risk for some damaging wind gusts, really the primary and only concern there. That's a very limited and almost a conditional threat if several ingredients get together, but I'd say flash flooding is our number 1 concern. Level 2 medium threat, area-wide, really for the entire state of both Tennessee and Kentucky. And then we'll do it all over again tomorrow, level 2 out of 4 risk once again for flash flooding for your Sunday. This low pressure system almost kind of just stalls out over middle Tennessee. So tomorrow we'll continue to see several rounds of showers and storms. Notice what happens Monday. It almost stalls out, barely drifting off towards the south, which means we'll have repeated rounds, counterclockwise rotation of shower and storm activity. And depending on how far south it goes, we should be starting to dry out Tuesday, but I can't rule out, especially Southern Valley, Southern Plateau, that we see a few lingering showers and storms. It does look like finally by Wednesday into Thursday will be drier, but we got to get through the weekend, Austin. Several rounds of showers and storms could lead to that elevated flooding threat.